Hey guys, it's Bill Ratliff with Right Way Heating or Cooling. I just wanted to let you know that we're going to introduce a little video that could potentially help you with changing your filter, changing your humidifier pad, which is your water panel, changing your UV light bulb, and the reason for having these things. In addition to that, we'll talk a little bit about iWave and dehumidification, why you do not want a dehumidifier hooked to your whole house during the wintertime. You want that thing shut off. So we'll talk about all of that. With that said, we're going to show you real quick, easy steps to changing one of the most efficient but difficult filters in the market. So we're talking about an Aprior filter. It's a 95% HEPA filter. It's the best filter just about there is, but a lot of people don't like them because they can be difficult to change. We can make that easier for you. It's a great little video. In addition to the water panels. So a lot of people deter from replacing water panels because they can be a little difficult. So with that said, I hope this video is helpful, and we will hopefully be able to make things a little faster for you and a little bit more understanding concerning why would I need these things and how do I service them. All right, thanks so much. You can visit us on our website at rightwayhvac.com to order these products. Our online store should be open next week, and we'll be able to help you purchase anything, UV bulbs, water panels, filters, you name it. So all kinds of good stuff on that store. Anybody across the United States can purchase these. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video.